If you're experiencing pending transfers on Kraken, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the funding section. Here, you can view the status of your pending transfers and any associated details. Step 2. Review transaction details. Click on the pending transfer to see more information. Look for any notes or alerts that may indicate why the transfer is pending, such as network congestion or incorrect details. Step 3. Confirm network conditions. Visit the relevant blockchain explorer to check the current network conditions for the cryptocurrency you are transferring. High congestion can lead to delays, and this information can help you understand the situation. Step 4. Contact Kraken support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After contacting support, be patient. Transfers may take time to resolve, especially if they are affected by external factors. Keep an eye on your account for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve pending transfers on Kraken. Remember to stay informed about network conditions and maintain communication with support if needed.